So with Sammy, we thought if we can sort of teach our printers to see and also to design together with us to improve the quality of our print design as well. So we pair the printer with the light sheet imaging so that we can scan the different cells or spheroids that are present in that. Use some computer vision tools to create a registration map of where these spheroids are, and then ask the printer to generate automatically by itself a design. For example, a vascular design that where a vessel feeds every spheroid that we embedded in our resin, and the printer generates the paths for the actual printing. Finally, perform the classic volumetric printing with this optimized design, and we end up having the feature of interest. And indeed, there is a benefit in that. Of course, the optimized vascular parameters give a higher insulin secretion compared to the others, indicating that it did better nutrients, while help, of course, the cells to perform better.